Yo, what's up everybody? Let's talk Forex, baby. The world of Forex trading is like no other. It's a fast-paced, high-stakes environment where every second counts. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, there's always something new to learn and experience. That's right, the foreign exchange market, where fortunes are made and lost faster than you can say pip. Imagine being able to trade currencies from all over the world, from the comfort of your own home. The Forex market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with over $6 trillion traded every single day. It's a place where you can potentially turn a small investment into a substantial profit, but it requires skill, knowledge, and a bit of luck. Think of it like this: the global stock market on steroids, open 24/5 with trillions of dollars changing hands every single day. Sounds intense? It is. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, allowing traders to take advantage of different time zones and market conditions. This means that no matter where you are in the world, there's always an opportunity to trade. The market is influenced by a variety of factors, including economic data, political events, and market sentiment, making it a dynamic and ever-changing environment. But also exhilarating, especially for those brave enough to dive into the world of Forex day trading. Day trading in the Forex market involves making quick decisions and executing trades within a single trading day. It's a strategy that requires a deep understanding of market trends, technical analysis, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Successful day traders are able to capitalize on short-term price movements, often making multiple trades throughout the day to maximize their profits. We're talking about riding the waves of daily market movements, squeezing profits out of those tiny fluctuations in currency pairs. Each currency pair has its own unique characteristics and behavior, and understanding these nuances is key to successful trading. Traders use a variety of tools and techniques such as chart patterns, indicators, and economic news to predict price movements and make informed trading decisions. It's a wild ride, but with the right knowledge and a little bit of street smarts, you can make some serious bank. Education and continuous learning are crucial in the Forex market. There are countless resources available, from online courses and webinars to trading communities and mentorship programs. By staying informed and constantly improving your skills, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your financial goals. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a crash course through the exciting world of Forex day trading. We'll cover everything from the basics of currency pairs and market analysis to advanced trading strategies and risk management techniques. Whether you're looking to make a career out of trading or just want to earn some extra income, this journey will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the Forex market with confidence. Get ready to dive in and discover the thrilling world of Forex trading.
First things first, in Forex, it's all about the trends. Think of it like surfing. You gotta catch the right wave to ride it to the shore. You wouldn't paddle against a tsunami, would you? Same goes for Forex. Uptrends, downtrends, sideways trends. You gotta learn to read the market's mood. Is it feeling bullish, bearish, indecisive? Knowing the difference is crucial.
Now, how do you actually read the market, you ask? Well, my friend, that's where technical analysis comes in. Charts, indicators, oscillators, these are your weapons of choice. Don't let the fancy names scare you, though. Think of them as your market GPS, helping you navigate the ups and downs, spotting potential entry and exit points. Moving averages, RSI, MACD, master these bad boys, and you'll be speaking fluent Forex in no time.
Here's a hard truth. Even the best Forex traders lose sometimes. It's like playing poker. You can't win every hand. The key is to manage your risk so those losses don't wipe you out. Set stop-loss orders, diversify your trades, never risk more than you can afford to lose. These are the golden rules of Forex risk management. Remember, slow and steady wins the race.
Section 5, the art of the trade, building your Forex strategy. Now, let's talk strategy. You wouldn't walk into a jungle without a map, right? Same goes for Forex. You need a plan, a set of rules to guide your trading decisions. Scalping, news trading, swing trading. There are tons of different strategies out there. Find one that suits your personality and risk tolerance. And once you've found it, stick to it. Consistency is key, my friend.
Section 6. Timing is everything when to strike in the market. Remember what we said about catching the right wave? Timing is everything in Forex. The market is like a living, breathing organism, constantly moving and changing. Knowing when to enter and exit a trade is crucial for maximizing profits and minimizing losses. Pay attention to economic calendars, news releases, market sentiment. These can all affect currency prices.
Section 7. Discipline, sun keeping your cool when things get hot. Forex trading can be a roller coaster of emotions. 1 minute you're up, the next you're down. It's enough to make even the most seasoned trader break a sweat. That's why discipline is so important. Don't let your emotions cloud your judgment. Stick to your trading plan, manage your risk, and don't chase losses. Remember, a cool head always prevails.
Section 8. Emotions, the silent killer of Forex profits. In the high-stakes world of Forex trading, emotions can be your worst enemy. They can cloud your judgment, distort your perception, and lead you down a path of financial ruin if not properly managed. Fear and greed, the two emotions that can make or break a Forex trader. Fear can grip you, making you second-guess every move, while greed can push you to take unnecessary risks, hoping for that big win. Fear can paralyze you, preventing you from taking calculated risks. It can make you hesitant to enter trades even when the conditions are favorable. This hesitation can lead to missed opportunities and, ultimately, lost profits. Greed, on the other hand, can make you reckless. It can drive you to make impulsive decisions, chasing after every potential profit without considering the risks. This recklessness can lead to costly mistakes, wiping out your gains, and even your trading account. The key is to find a balance, to be both bold and cautious, to trust your instincts, but also to stay grounded. A balanced trading strategy involves setting clear goals, having a well-defined plan, and sticking to it, regardless of the emotional highs and lows. Remember, emotions are your enemy in the Forex market. They can lead you astray, causing you to make decisions based on fear or greed rather than logic and analysis. It's crucial to develop emotional discipline and maintain a clear, focused mind. Keep them in check, and you'll be one step closer to success. By mastering your emotions, you can make more rational decisions, stay on course with your trading plan, and ultimately achieve your trading goals. Success in Forex trading is not just about strategy, it's about emotional control.
Section 9. Quick tips from a Forex ninja. Want to up your Forex game? Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, these tips can help you navigate the complex world of Forex trading. Here are a few quick tips from a seasoned pro. These insights are designed to give you an edge and help you make more informed decisions. Start small. Don't go all in when you're just starting out. It's tempting to dive in head first, but it's wiser to dip your toes in the water first. Trade small, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your position size as you gain confidence. This approach minimizes risk and allows you to build your skills over time. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things with a million indicators. The more complex your setup, the harder it is to make clear decisions. Choose a few reliable tools and master them. Simplicity often leads to better results because it allows you to focus on what's important. Backtest your strategy. Before you risk real money, test your strategy on historical data. This practice can save you from costly mistakes. This will help you identify any weaknesses and fine-tune your approach. By understanding how your strategy performs in different market conditions, you can make necessary adjustments. Never stop learning. The Forex market is constantly evolving. Staying informed is crucial for long-term success. Stay ahead of the curve by reading books, attending webinars, and following industry experts. Continuous education will keep you updated on new strategies and market trends. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve with your trading. Whether it's a specific profit target or a learning milestone, having clear goals keeps you focused. Manage your risk. Always use stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Risk management is key to surviving and thriving in the Forex market. Keep a trading journal. Document your trades, strategies, and outcomes. This will help you learn from your successes and mistakes. Balance is important. Don't let trading consume your life. Take breaks and ensure you have a healthy work-life balance. Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small. This will keep you motivated and positive. Build a support network. Connect with other traders to share insights and experiences.
A strong network can provide valuable support and advice. Stay disciplined. Stick to your trading plan and avoid emotional decisions. Discipline is crucial for long-term success in Forex trading. Stay informed. Keep up with global economic events and news that can impact the Forex market. Being well-informed helps you make better trading decisions. Reflect and improve. Regularly review your trading performance and look for areas of improvement. Continuous self-assessment is key to becoming a better trader. Remember, Forex trading is a journey, not a sprint. With patience, discipline, and continuous learning, you can achieve long-term success.
Section 10, putting it all together, your path to Forex mastery. So, there you have it, a crash course in Forex day trading. We've covered a lot of ground, from understanding market trends to managing your risk to keeping your emotions in check. Remember, becoming a successful Forex trader takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of practice. But with the right knowledge and the right mindset, anyone can master the art of Forex trading.
Section 11. Now go forth and conquer. The Forex world awaits. The world of Forex trading is vast and exciting, full of opportunities for those brave enough to seize them. So what are you waiting for? Open a demo account, start practicing, and see for yourself what all the hype is about. Who knows, you might just be the next Forex millionaire.